Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn a very important topic, that is the outbreak of the revolution. The outbreak of the revolution means how the revolution started. So let's see. In my earlier classes, I told you about all the factors which were responsible for the revolution. Now, how suddenly the movement started, the revolution started. That is the outbreak of revolution. Clear? Very simple. Try to understand me carefully. Now, Louis XVI wanted to increase the taxes further. But in France, the old regime, the monarch, did not have the power to impose taxes according to his will alone. So there was a need for calling the meeting of Estates Generals. Now, what is Estates General? The Estates General was a political body to which the three estates, as I told you earlier, the first estate, second estate and third estate. Yes. So the three estates sent their representatives. So that was the Estate General. It was a political body that consisted of the representatives of all the three estates. So the three estates members were ready. So on 5th May, the meeting was held. So on 5th May, the meeting of Estate General was there. It was in a hall in Versailles. The members of the first two estates, they were sitting in the hall facing each other, and they sent 300 members. So 300 members from first and second estate represented the meeting. They were sitting in the hall facing each other, I told you. And the third estate sent 600 members. So 600 members from third estate to represent the Estate General. But these members were standing at the back. You just see the number, just double. This third estate was represented by educated and prosperous people, and peasants, artisans and women were denied entry to the assembly. So this was the voting scenario. Now, there was a system of voting in the Estate General. And what was that system? The system was each estate had one vote. I repeat, each estate. It means no matter how many members were there in the state, but each estate, first estate, one vote. All the members of the first estate had one vote. All the members of the second estate had one vote. And all the members of the third estate had one vote. So one estate, one vote. This system was there. This system was opposed in this meeting. Third estate wanted that there must be one man, one vote. So the third estate demanded for one man and one vote. They denied one estate, one vote, and demanded for one man, one vote. And when this demand was put forward to the king rejected, and there was a chaos. And as a result, the member of the third estate walked out of the assembly in protest. Understood? Let's see the next class.